Hello everybody, it's Mr. Anderson, your secondary school librarian, and this is a brief tutorial on how to connect your NoodleTools to your Google email account, making your life simpler and more efficient when it comes to accessing NoodleTools. First off, just some of the details. This is for all students and faculty who already have NoodleTools accounts. If you're seeing this video and you don't yet have one, there's another video for you to watch, and so contact me if you can't find that or have not seen it yet. As I said a moment ago, this should make your life a lot easier and more efficient when you use NoodleTools, because you will not have to continually remember what was my username and what was my password, because in the past you had to create a separate account, and some people get a bit creative with passwords sometimes, and it ends up being a bit difficult later on. So this will just smooth everything over. One quick note, when you do this, you have to make sure that you are logged into your school Gmail. So make sure that that's the case when you get started on making this process. This is a one-time thing. You don't have to do this over and over, but the one time you do it will set you up for a while. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to find your way to NoodleTools. Option one is if you're on your email account, you'll see up in the right-hand corner, near the right-hand corner, this little waffle bar. And when you click on it, you can scroll down and you're going to see NoodleTools as an option there. So that's one way that you can access. Another is when you go to the school LibGuide, you can find NoodleTools right here in the quick ref box. So you'll see NoodleTools right there, so you can link there. Or a way I think a lot of people use it is you go to NoodleTools just by typing in noodletools.com, or you have it bookmarked already. When you go there, then you would click on login and it would take you into the login page, which would look like this. So for all of you from past experience, you'll remember that this is where you have to enter your personal ID and your password. If you had clicked remember me, it should keep you in there, but sometimes it doesn't always work for folks. And what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate that step and just have you sign in using Google. So when you go to this page, you'll click on sign in with Google, and then you're going to choose your account. Just remember that your Gmail account should show up for school, and click on that and it'll give access. And then it'll take you to this window, and you're going to choose I have an existing account, where this red arrow is pointing. So you have an existing account. You're going to enter your personal ID and password one final time. So this will be the one time that you're actually going to take all of your existing projects and move them over and have that single sign-on. So it's very important that you remember what your personal ID and password are. And after you do that, then you'll just click link account, and it's going to join those together. And then that will get you all set up into this single sign-on. It's a very quick process. And what I'll do now is I'd like to show you how it looks from my perspective. I like this waffle bar. I think it's a pretty slick deal. And so when I come in here to my email, I can go up to this window on the Google Apps, scroll down, find NoodleTools, and when I open it, I've already connected everything, so it's simply going to open up in my projects and everything is there for me, just as they were before. And so there it all is. Don't judge, I know it's messy, but I use it a lot. So that is how you find your way into NoodleTools. I think it should be very smooth, but if you have any troubles, feel free to just send me an email or send a Zoom link and we can chat more. Take care, everyone.